How's it going, CC peeps? Today on Controlled Chaos, we got a lawnmower. The key will not start the lawnmower, so we're going to be seeing what's happening. Alright, so this is a bad boy zero-turn lawnmower. It's the Elite Series. 60-inch cut. Got the Kohler engine. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to sit here and you want to make sure 100% that you have this brake here engaged. Now, keep in mind a lawnmower does vibrate a lot, so you want to check your connections, make sure they're tight, as well as on the solenoid. You also want to check your relays. Before you take the relays off now, number 1, 1, 2, 2, just like it's labeled there. Be sure that you take a picture before you start. Now the tools you're going to need for this job would be a 1/2 inch and a 7/16. Once you have disconnected the battery, go ahead and take your nuts off. There you go. The hold down bolts are going to be 7/16. Now take your wire off. Do the reverse steps to put the other one back on. Make sure you put these boots in. Reconnect your battery. So on this particular solenoid, for that second wire there, you want to run a ground to your negative. And once you put your ground from the second tab to the negative. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. CC, you later.